Hello, hope you're having a good day. This robot provides advanced Excel reports. How to access it? Enter the robot, find reports in the main menu, click it, and see a trade summary. The details in Excel include signal number, time sent, symbol, position type, signal price, and execution time. This is from a testing phase, so info might be jumbled, but it would be accurate. You'll see execution time, order ID, and exchange for tracking. The algorithm? I'm testing Tesla, but it will include banking and Team 45. It shows the algorithm used, entry point, take profit, stop loss, order size, leverage, and margin. Clicking shows parameters, signal number, time sent, symbol, position type, signal price. Excel data is from testing, might be jumbled, but yours will be accurate. Includes tracking info. Algorithm? Testing Tesla, yours includes banking, Team 45. Shows algorithm used. Incredible! Everything should trade. If not, here's the list. The execution time, order ID, and exchange are there. What's the algorithm? It's the Tesla algorithm, but yours will include banking and Team 45. It shows the algorithm used, entry point, take profit, stop loss, order size, leverage, and margin. Margin, leverage, and order size are interconnected. It shows signal status, whether the position was open simultaneously, and if it was traded. Everything should trade automatically. If not, the reason is in the status. I'm here to show possible statuses. An open position means the trade is active. I've executed the trade, and it's in your exchange. Click Open Positions to see your open trades. It also shows you the status of the signal, whether the position was opened, and whether it has been traded or not. Trading is automatic. If it hasn't, the reason will be written here in the status. Here are the statuses, and how to resolve them. The trade is executed and in your exchange. Click Open Positions to see your trades. An open position means it's entered and profitable. Here are the statuses and how to resolve them. The trade is executed and in your exchange. Click Open Positions to see your trades. Open position, entered, profit reached, loss specified in report. Position not open for 5 reasons, one being max limit exceeded. Settings have max open positions. If set to 5, 6th won't open. Now, the other things you see here mean that a position hasn't been opened for you. And there could be 5 possible reasons for that. One reason is that you've exceeded your maximum open position limit, as I mentioned in the previous video. In the settings section, there's a part for the maximum open positions. For example, if you set it to 5 simultaneous open positions, then when a 6th position comes up, it won't open it for you. The system limits to 5 positions. Exceeding this won't open more, and is noted. Set a daily loss limit, like 10. What is the maximum daily loss? You can set this yourself. If set to $10, exceeding this stops new trades for the day. If a trade doesn't open, it will state the reason. Simultaneous positions occur with overlapping signals on the same asset, like Bitcoin. Insufficient funds mean the robot can't trade as instructed, like using $50 with leverage 10. A simultaneous position occurs when, for example, I have an open Bitcoin trade and another Bitcoin position is sent, like Tesla, or banking strategies giving a Bitcoin signal. These prices overlap, causing a simultaneous position. Another reason could be invalid volume. Insufficient funds mean you instructed the robot to trade with $50 using 10 leverage, but your balance is $49. The robot can't execute a $50 trade due to low balance, resulting in an insufficient funds error. Setting a trade percentage might avoid this error, but could still lead to an invalid volume error. Exchanges have minimum requirements for opening positions, like CoinEx needing $10 or $20, varying by currency. The balance is $49. The robot can't take a $50 position with only $49, resulting in a funds error. Setting a trade percentage might avoid this error, but an invalid volume error may still occur. What does this imply? Exchanges require a minimum to open a position. On CoinEx, it's over $10 to open a currency position. Manually asking to open a $half Bitcoin position won't work. It requires at least $5 to open a position. Different is different. That is, if you go through Sarafi and say, "Sir, open a $half position for me in Bitcoin." He won't open it. He says, "Sir, the minimum limit should be, for example, $5. When the strategy you've set, or the percentage of your capital is too low, or the dollar amount you've chosen is too small compared to your leverage, you end up with an invalid volume. To fix this, you either need to increase your account balance by adding more funds, or adjust your leverage and margin a bit higher to avoid that invalid volume error. Insufficient funds is pretty straightforward. I've explained the rest to you as well. This is what you see in your Excel report. And I've mentioned how to resolve it. Simultaneous positions, maximum daily loss, and maximum open positions. You can change these settings, and by adjusting your margin and leverage, or by adding more funds to the robot, you can manage these issues. Right now, the robot doesn't have a minimum investment limit. You can start trading with just $5. However, with $5, it might execute 10 trades, but the 11th trade could throw an error saying your balance is insufficient or your volume is invalid because all the money you have is tied up in open trades. You know what I mean. But it doesn't matter. You can start with a small amount of money and gradually add more. In fact, my suggestion to you is to definitely do this. Don't put in a lot of money at first. Test it with a very small amount. If it works well for you, then gradually increase your investment. I hope you have success and make a profit. Best regards.